Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Stay home and stay safe. Take a healthy food and take care of yourself. Students, what is day today? Today is Friday, 15th January 2021. It's your maths period and today our topic is length. It's addition and subtraction, page number 112 and 113 of countdown. So students, open your countdown books. It's page number 112. First of all, write here classwork and its revision 15 January 2021. As you know, our syllabus has finished and today we will again start revision from the very first chapter, that is length. It's more on addition. Look at these. Now add these. Students, as you know, we always start from the right side. First of all, we will write here class centimeter. And now we will add 8 plus 7. It's 15. So we write 5 here and 1 will be carried over here. Now it's 1 plus 1, it's 2, and 2 plus 6, it's 8. Now we write here meter and 5 plus 2, it's 7. 5 plus 2, it's 7. So the answer is 7 meter 85 centimeter. Now look at B part. Again write centimeter here. Now 5 plus 4, it's 9. And 9 as it is. Now we write here meter. And 1 plus 6, it's 7. So the answer is 7 meter and 99 centimeter. Now C part is it's centimeter. We write here centimeter. And now 8 plus 8, it's 16. Now again 1 will be carried over here. 1 plus 4, it's 5. 5 plus 3, it's 8. Again write here meter. And 7 plus 2, it's 9. So the answer is 9 meter and 86 centimeter. Again write here centimeter. And now 0 plus 0, it's 0. 1 plus 7, it's 8. Again write here meter. And 1 plus 5, it's 6. And 1 as it is. So the answer is 16 meter 80 centimeter. Again look at the E part. Write here centimeter. It's 7 plus 9. It's 16. So we write here 6. And 1 will be carried over here. Now 1 plus 3, it's 4. 4 plus 4, it's 8. Again write here meter. And 8 plus 1, it's 9. And 1 as it is. So the answer is 19 meter 86 centimeter. Now look at F part. It's centimeter. 6 plus 7 is 13. Again write 1 here. 7 plus 1, it's 8. 8 plus 1, it's 9. Now it's meter. 1 plus 5, it's 6. And 1 plus 1, it's 2. So the answer is 26 meter and 93 centimeter. Students, as you have already done these pages, so you will practice these sums on your rough notebooks. Now look at page number 113. It's length, more on subtraction. Now subtract as required. First of all, again start from the right side and write here centimeter. 9 minus 1, it's simple subtraction. So 9 minus 1 is 8 and 2 minus 2, it's 0 meter, and 4 minus 3, it's 1. So the answer is 1 meter and 08 centimeter. Again write here centimeter. 9 minus 8 is simple subtraction. It's 1, and 7 minus 6, it's also 1. And again write here meter, and 3 minus 1, it's 2. So the answer is 2 meter and 11 centimeter. Now look at this sum. 4 minus 4, it's 0. And 5 minus 4, it's 1. Again here meter. And 6 minus 5, it's 1. Answer is 1 meter and 10 centimeter. Students, now look at D part. First of all, write here centimeter. Now, can we subtract 6 from 2? Look at this. No, because 2 is smaller number and 6 is bigger number. So what we will do? We borrow from this number. It becomes 4 and now it is 12. 12 minus 6 it's 6 centimeter, and 4 minus 4 it's 0. Again write here meter, and 7 minus 3 it's 4. So the answer is 4 meter 6 centimeter. Now we will solve E part. First of all, write here centimeter, and 9 minus 8 is 1 centimeter, and 7 minus 6 it's also 1. Now it's right here meter, and it is 0, and here we have 7. We cannot subtract, so what we'll do, we take from here, it is 10. 10 minus 7, 3. And here it becomes 0. We can also write here. So the answer is 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 meter and 11 centimeter. Now look at F part. Right here centimeter. 9 minus 2 it's 7. 4 minus 3 it's 1. Now it's meter. 8 minus 1 it's 7, and 1 minus 1 is 0. There is no need to write 0 over here. So the answer is 7 meter and 17 centimeter. Now look at in G part. It's centimeter. 3 minus 1 it's 2, and 6 minus 2 it's 4. After that write here meter. 8 minus 7 it's 1, and 2 minus 1 is also 1. So the answer is 11 meter and 42 centimeter. Again it's meter centimeter. We cannot subtract 3 and 9 because 9 is bigger number and 3 smaller number. So what we will do, we borrow from this number, it is 4, and now it becomes 13. And now 13 minus 9 it's 4, and 4 minus 2 it's 2. Again write here meter, as we cannot subtract 9 from 2 because 2 is smaller number, so it is 3, and now it becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 13 meter and 24 centimeter. Look at the last part. It's centimeter. As we cannot subtract 7 from 4 because 4 is smaller number, so when we take borrow from here, it is 14, and here we have 5. 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now write here meter. 5 minus 5 is 0, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is 10 meter and 27 centimeter. So students, this is all for today. You will prepare these 2 pages for your test, which I will take it from you on Monday, and you will also revise tables from 9 to 12, which will also include in your test. So prepare your test, page number 112 and 113 for your test, okay, and tables from 9 to 12, which I will take from you on Monday. It's very easy and simple questions. Practice it on your rough notebooks, and also learn tables from 9 to 12, okay, for your test. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.